Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are watching our YouTube channel Overseas Production USA, and I am your host Jabbar from Chicago. Trump has announced on Twitter just other day that he wants to bring all US troops back from Afghanistan by Christmas. President Trump's announcement came as a surprise and shocked to his own administration official. Trump National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien had said in an event at University of Nevada, Las Vegas, just before President went, that about 2,500 troops would be brought back by 2021. So just you should know, they are around 5,000 troops are currently in Afghanistan. Furthermore, President comments could further weaken the Afghan government leverage. During negotiation with Taliban, while the talk has been going on Qatar, numbers of Afghan soldiers, Taliban fighters and civilians have been killed in clashes last few weeks. Laurel Miller, a former top diplomat who now serves as Director International Crisis Group Asia program, said, "It is very strange indeed to have the President of the US say something out loud and then have rest of us wondering if it really means anything. A sudden withdrawal makes no sense in terms of US national security or good negotiation practice. It only makes sense in a political context if you think that is selling point to voters." Thanks for watching our channel, and I have to say goodbye from Chicago. Allah Hafiz and Pakistan Paindabad.